So, you know how every time we start a new Python project, we end up copy-pasting config files from the last project, tweaking C/CD workflows, and basically reinventing the wheel. Let me introduce you to our new Trobz Python template. Think of it as your project starter kit. It's designed to get you coding faster and keep our codebase consistent across all projects. Plus, it uses all the modern tools we're already familiar with from our OCA and Odoo work. Our template is built on Copier. You might come across it when working with OCA repos. It's a smart scaffolding tool, which will ask you a few questions and voila! You've got a fully configured Python project ready to roll. Modern tools, the good stuff we already know. The template includes a set of tools for Python development. The first is UV, the second is rough, the third is pre-commit, the fourth is pittest, and the fifth is tie. When you enable GitHub Actions, which we recommend, you get automated testing and linting. You also get automated releases, where pushing a conventional commit automatically bumps the version and publishes to Pypi if configured. In addition, changelogs are generated automatically, keeping changelog.md up to date. Just push your code and let the robots do the boring stuff. Semantic versioning workflow. The template includes a fully automated semantic versioning workflow using Python semantic release. Every time you push to the main branch, or PR is merged, this is workflow running automatically. First, the workflow analyzes your commits. Second, it determines the version bump based on the commit title. Third, it updates the version in the PyProject .toml file, so you do not need to do it yourself. Fourth, it generates or updates the changelog.md file. Fifth, it updates the UV lock file to keep the lock file in sync. Sixth, it creates distribution files using UV build. Seventh, it creates a Git tag. Eighth, it creates a GitHub release with auto-generated release notes. And finally, it pushes all changes back to your repository. We follow conventional commits, where commit messages like feed, fix, or docs are used to automatically generate changelogs and version bumps through our C/CD. Everything runs automatically, you just need to write proper commit messages. For commit types that do not trigger releases, such as chore, C, style, test, or docs, you can see the full details above. Publishing to Pypi. If you also enable the publish _to _Pypi option, the workflow will automatically upload your package to Pypi after each release and make it installable using pip install your package. This setup requires configuring a trusted publisher for your project, and you can read more in the documentation link we have attached at the end of this video. Consistent project structure. Every project follows the same layout. First, it comes with a pre-configured PyProject .toml using sensible default settings. Second, it includes a makefile with common commands such as make install, make check, and make test. Third, it provides a comprehensive 𝐂𝐤𝐚𝐢 file. And finally, it uses the AGPL 3.0 license by default. So, how do you get started? First, create a new project. Just copy the link below. Step 2 is to install and set up the project by following the instructions below. Step 3 is to start coding. And finally, release it to the world. You have now completed the getting started process. Next time you're starting a Python project, give Trobz Python Template a spin. It's designed to get out of your way and let you focus on building cool stuff. Thank you for taking the time to explore Trobz's latest contribution to OCA. Please follow us via the link below to stay updated with more OCA blog posts from Trobz.